The companies who are here with CBI are very well prepared for coming here. There is an export coaching program which spans over 4 years. So these companies have been prepared for market research and they've gone through the various training workshops. They have a lot of inquiries coming in, and the showing here is very good for their first entry into the European market.
And I have attended some courses with them. It was a 2-day workshop for the export and what are the requirements for the companies to do export. You know, there are different procedures and some certifications to comply with. So this is, they are putting in a lot of efforts to help the Pakistani companies, especially the small players, and you know what you should have to export from here to the Europe.
I extended the export coaching program in year 2005, I think. That was a great opportunity to learn how to make an export marketing plan, and that was really a trigger which made our company to come into export aggressively and systematically.
Well, the Trade Development Authority of Pakistan is cooperating with the CBI in promoting the participation of the Pakistani exhibitors at these various fairs. Pakistan has a large and growing, very qualified workforce, and they are producing quality products at reasonable prices. So I think they have a good chance to become increasingly important in the automotive market.
But on top of that, the interesting thing is that these companies are able to work to smaller volumes, and when there are customers in Europe who are looking for small and medium volumes, or they are looking for pilot lots, or they are looking for design work, the Pakistani companies have an edge over a lot of other companies.
Our product range consists of sun visor, side view mirror, floor mat for cabin parts, floor mat for trucks like Hino, Nissan and Isuzu. This is a visor made by us for buses.
As you can see, these are valves and guides which we manufacture and specialize in. We specialize in from two-wheelers up till trucks, tractors, buses and locomotive engines. Like for example, you can see these are for Honda motorcycle which we are manufacturing in Pakistan, and we're OE supplier to them. And as you can see that these are for Caterpillar which we are exporting to USA.
For the last 5-6 years, we have been part of the CBI ECP program, where we've had the opportunity to participate in the export coaching plans that CBI gives. Our staff members have number of times been to Holland to learn those export programs. On the activity side, what has happened that after the program that we've learned and the exporting skills that were invoked into our system, and we created a completely new export department which enabled us to facilitate our development of focused products that were good for the European market.
We are the manufacturers of copper brass radiators for agriculture tractors, generators, as well as passenger cars.
We are very much interested not only to selling but also buying machines and raw materials from this country.
One of the most important contributions again that I need to recognize and appreciate is that CBI took the staff members of our association PAPAM to Netherlands, and there they were trained to come back and again do the training of masters trainers in Pakistan. The footprint of CBI's package, which enables organizations to come into the export pipeline would have a tremendous effect overall within the engineering industry of Pakistan.